Yep, Buffalo just issued this. Main weather statement. And guess what? I'm affected. Yes. Perfect timing also.
Orleans and Wyoming. Strong thunderstorms will impact Wayne, eastern Wyoming, Livingston, Orleans, Genesee, Monroe, and Ontario counties through 12:30 p.m. At 11:24 a.m., Doppler radar was tracking a cluster of strong thunderstorms over Avon, or 8 miles north of Geneseo, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Rochester, Greece, Irondequoit, Chilai, Batavia, Geneva, Canandaigua, Broadport, Geneseo, East Rochester, Medina, Albion, Hilton, Webster, Fairport, Brighton, Gates North Gates, Helen Beach State Park, Lexworth State Park, and Darien Lake State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 390 between exits 6 and 12. Interstate 90 between exits 42 and 48A. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The 11 a.m.